Hey guys, what's up? It's Kisha with Simply Kisha, and today is Let's Talk Tuesdays. But before we have a conversation, let's whip up like a little meal. Um, I love the taste of a sausage, right? But in today's world, and in my 15 years of living in the vegan world, I have stumbled across this new plant-based um, sausage patty, right? And I will, you know, give the company a shout out just because I love their products. And so this vegan sausage is a new product to me, and it's by Beyond Meat Burger. And guys, it's really good. So this morning we are going to um, make a vegan sausage sandwich. Okay, and so what I use is a wheat pita bread, which you can pretty much pick up at your local grocery store or market. And I believe you could get the sausage patties anywhere as well, at your local grocery store. And what I am going to top it off with is essentials. I love veganese, so I'm going to put some veganese, and I have some medium salsa that I'm going to also, dress it up with. So yeah, so let's get into it. And before we get started, this is a new channel. I've been pretty much talking about the channel for a while, and so I haven't really officially launched it yet. But I feel like I, just want to go ahead and put something out there because I'm ready to have some conversations. Okay, so if you like the video, please subscribe, hit that like button, right? So that YouTube can know that, hey, Keisha's here and we're here. And yeah, so, and shout out to all the vegans out there, the new ones and the legends, or, people who have been pretty much chronicling this lifestyle um, for over 5 years plus, over 10 years plus, I think, and this is probably cliche, your health is your wealth, but we'll get into that more. Right now, let's go ahead and make us a little morning treat. Um, so on Tuesdays, start with my mayonnaise. On Tuesdays, pretty much do a lot of chit-chatting, whether it be in the mornings, um, or late in the evening. Tuesdays is like a day where I'm just like talking a lot. Yep, so I'll put one there. And if you don't like mayonnaise, you could use mustard. I switch up a lot. Um, I use mayo. I might use a fresh tomato instead of salsa. Um, I may even put like some fresh lettuce, or even, some kale on there because I love kale, y'all know. So I'll put the other patty there. And this is a medium, this is actually a medium spice, so it's not that spice. But I feel like there's nothing wrong with a little kick. Yep, I'll let y'all know how we're rolling. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's a nice treat, right? It's your protein. Yep. There we go. Okay. And so I am going to devour this, and then I'll meet you guys back for the conversation. Okay. So yeah. So this is our tasty sausage patty with veganese, and salsa, right? Yummy, yummy. So I'm gonna clean my mess up here. And also, you guys feel free to um, leave down in the comments section like what's your favorite um, vegan meal, whether it be breakfast or midday or dinner, right? Or even a snack, you know? So yeah, just let me know, right? Simply Keisha. Keep it simple. Yep, so I'll be back. Right. Yes, okay. I'm back. And was it good, y'all? Wasn't it good? It was so good. And I like tasty foods. I love um, tasty foods, pre plant based and now. I require flavor and I require savory and texture. You know, yeah, all of those different experiences um, put together. It's just the bomb. It's the bomb. It's the ultimate experience when you have um, the best taste, okay, the best texture, right? It's fresh and and it's hitting all of those palates, right? That's when that's when you're on the right track. So wherever you are, um, I'm sure your local grocery store, especially if you're in the United States, we live in a world where we're starting to wake up, and we're starting to be more conscious of our health and the things that we put into our body, specifically foods. And so, yeah, so I hope you guys love that little morning treat. Um, Leave the comments down below and let's get into a little conversation, okay? Yeah, um, I am having a slight brew, and this is grape juice. Yeah, so what are we talking about today? People treat you the way that they see you. People treat you the way that they see you. Am I just learning this? No. Are some of our younger individuals, are they just learning this? Yes. So, we're all human, so this video is specifically or essentially for everyone. However, in specific, it's for our younger individuals who might not have experienced what it means to be treated the way you feel you should be treated by another individual. So, with that being said, to our today's youth, people treat you the way that they see you. And what does, in my opinion, what does that mean? Well, uh, that means exactly what it sounds like. If someone has high respect or hold you at a high regard or see you on high standards in their mind, they're going to treat you that way. Okay? if someone is attracted to you, whether it's physically or yeah, someone's attracted to you, or um, sorry, if they like you, um, you'll feel it. They might buy you things. Um, they might invite you to places, and you might be there. Um, you might be their guest for the evening, right? Maybe you guys go out. They might treat you. Maybe they'll treat you again. When you ride in a car, maybe you might have first dibs to sit in the front. Um, and so those are some of the ways that you can tell if someone respects you or if they like you or not. Other things is they look forward to talking to you. They look forward to seeing you. If you guys um, set a date or a meeting, they make sure that they're on time or punctual, and they actually care about um, how you feel, you know, right? So, um, yeah, people treat you the way they see you now. If they don't see you in the best light, you will know it. Okay? So if there's something that you're doing or not, and someone is treating you the way that you don't want to be treated, or if it doesn't feel pleasant to you, then somewhere down the line, that's the way they see you. It's not always a good thing. It's not always a bad thing. But at the end of the day, if you truly want to know how another individual feels about you, especially if they're in your close circle, or uh, if you know them personally or professionally, um, really observe and analyze how you feel when you're around an individual, or if you've left them, or if you've, come in contact with them, and right after you are away from them or that group of people or individual, um, really sit with that, you know, and analyze that and observe your feelings. Um, I've even heard someone say, "Oh, you're too sensitive. Oh, you're looking at it too deeper." However, you know how you want to be treated and how you are treated around loved ones and individuals who hold you at a high regard, or they respect you the way you want to be respected, treat you the way you want to be treated, um, or even connects with you. We're all, well, in today's world, everyone is an adult. So, and I mean that in the lightest way possible. However, I'm saying, if you're an adult and if you are human, you know human connection. And you know when someone is not treating you respectful. Right. If they're not being respectful, or if they're throwing shade, um, or if they don't hold you in the regard that they would do towards someone that they respect. Okay? So always observe and check in with your feelings, regardless of who you're around and where you are. If you're not in a space with other individuals who can A, respect you, and B, hold you to a standard with other individuals whom they respect, remove yourself. Acknowledge that and politely remove yourself. Oftentimes, you don't really have to check it or speak up. You can just remove yourself. But if it happens one too many times, A, that's your fault, and B, maybe you shouldn't be in that environment. But I'll let you guys make some comments down in the comment box, and we'll have an additional conversation about that. But I just wanted to express how I feel in regards to how you treat people the way you see them. When you love them, if you have big love for them, whether you're in love with them or you just love their presence, it's going to exude. It's going to exude out of you and they're going to feel it, you know? But if they're not up to, if it's not up to their standards, and you'll feel it, okay? So I guess in short or in closing, just be aware of how you're putting yourself out there, the circles you are around, the individuals who you're with, and how they treat you. How they treat you. Because that's truly how they see you. Okay? This is Simply Kisha. The conversation can get cooking. And if you guys want to see the channel grow, or maybe we can have more conversations, which we will. Okay? uh, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video, if it's worth sharing. Okay? All right. See you next time.